Hello everyone, welcome to N Technical. I am Nikhil and in this session we will discussing what is LED. So friends, let's get started. LED. LED is an abbreviation used for light emitting diode. Let's have a look at the symbol of LED. It is basically a PN junction diode that has the ability to give off light when certain voltage is applied to it. In the symbolic representation of LED, we can clearly see that this symbol is almost similar to normal diode, but the only variation which we can in the two outward arrow. The two arrows used to represent emission of radiation through LED. Now friends, let's move further and understand the construction of light emitting diode. Light emitting diode are basically formed when p-type semiconductor material is merged with an n-type semiconductor material. But let's make it very clearly that LED are not formed using silicon or germanium as they are basic material. Instead of that, we can gallium arsenide phosphate or gallium phosphide as its basic material at the time of LED fabrication. The reason to use these material in that these exhibits a special property through which they can emit energy in the form of photon rather than in the form of heat. We can see the figure shown here that the whole structure is enclosed in the epoxy resin hemispherical shape. The reason to use this shell is to have maximum radiation emission from top surface of the LED. Also during emission, part of light reaches the lower portion of the structure. So we use the gold film, which is showing cathode connection over here, to have sufficient reflection from the bottom of the surface. This is the reason why we achieve maximum radiation emission from top surface of the LED. Now we understand how does the light emitting diode work. With the help of this diagram, we will understand how the light emitting diode work and the step-by-step process of the diagram. From this diagram, we can observe that the n-type silicon in red color including electron, which is indicated by the black circle. The p-type silicon is in the blue color and it contains holes. They are indicated by the white circles. The power supply across the PN junction make the diode forward bias and pushing the electron from n-type to p-type, pursuing the holes in the opposite direction. Electron and holes at the junction are combined. The photon are given off as the electron and holes are recombined. Now what is the conclusion of LED and what is the advantage of our LED? LED is the latest technology. Light emitting diode, which is known as LED, are more energy efficient and durable with no toxic mercury. The advent of new generation lighting LED have paved the way of green lighting with 50% energy saving while assuring 150% to 200% increased services. Now that's all in today's lecture. Thank you for watching our video.